Hello and welcome to my profile. I'm Dalbeer Singh, a 15 plus years of experience in machine learning, generative AI, and computer vision. I have a strong background in developing SaaS and enterprise solutions. I'm passionate about leveraging cutting edge technologies to create secure and scalable solutions for diverse industries like real estate, healthcare, FinTech, e-commerce, education, and more. Along with AI technologies like generative AI, chatbot development, and NLP, my expertise include with advanced solutions like image classifications, OCR, object detections, and 3D rendering. I have worked extensively with Python and libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, Skygate, Pandas for helping businesses to scale their digital platform with innovation solutions and decision making. Not just that, I expanded my skill set, DevOps and cloud infrastructures for deploying scalable, secure, and also managing their disasters and security and alarms. But beyond the tech, I bring something more important to the table. I believe clear and open communication with my client is key to create solutions that truly meet their need. I always keep you updated. I will collaborate with you and always aim to meet your expectations. And the best part is that by hiring me, you will save 50% development cost, all while getting top quality results. So whether you need AI-driven applications, secure and scalable SaaS and enterprise solutions, I'm here to help. So let's connect and bring your vision into life. Please check out my work and let's get started. Thank you.